So in this video, I'm going to be comparing the Epson projector, that is one of the top selling projectors online till date, versus this one that costs you almost half the money of what an Epson projector would cost you. And this one, as you can see, is super durable. You can carry it with you anywhere. Comes with an HDMI port as well, with a USB connection port as well, and has got built-in speakers as well. So both of them, the Epson projector as well as this mini projector, streams 1080p native display videos, and whereas Epson does not come with any OSP installed, this one comes with Android pre-installed, and you can also stream videos via various apps that come pre-installed with this one. So for this very device, you only need one remote, which is this. But if you're gonna be using the Epson projector, you would need two remotes, one for the Fire Stick and the other one for the Epson projector to turn it on every time you have to use it. As you can see, when you get the Fire Stick, you don't get the option for volume up and down in the light version. So you would need to do it manually via the Epson's remote itself. And also, this one weighs around 2.5 kgs, whereas on the other hand, this one weighs only around 350 grams. So let's dive right into it, and let's just test the Epson projector, how it showcases up here, and which one should you buy, this one or this one. How it looks on a completely dark lighting. As you can see, obviously this is adjustable, super crisp display, as you can see. And let me now open YouTube for you, and I'll play your picture right now. So I am playing fake window for you right now. Let me just go ahead and play this one. This is Harry Potter fake video on YouTube. Well, there you go. This is what you're getting with this small device, which costs you only around 4 pesos, that you can order anytime. So I'll play you another video. Let me just play this one. Again, super clear. Everything is crisp clear. Full HD and best output that you're getting from this tiny device. It's running, but I can do some magic with this as well. As you can see, I can point it here or just rotate it according to my needs. This is how it looks with the lights on. Same lighting as it was for the Epson when I was shooting. Obviously, it needs a much darker room. So I guess it's for the ones that are looking for not very bright displays. At the same time, this will get the job done, but it's not bad. It's good. Full HD is what you're getting with this one. Well, this is how it's showing up right now. As you can see, picture is pretty clear. And if I had an extension board here, then it would have been much easier. But right now, this does get the job done. So it's asking for system update. Obviously, you can do it all with this. So which one is the right choice for you? Well, it totally depends, because if you're looking for a permanent home theater setup, then you may want to go with Epson, because it has got a slightly better picture quality and brightness as well. But when it comes to taking the projector anywhere with you, or getting a minimalistic setup, then this might be the right choice for you, especially if you like to watch movies or videos in dark or dim rooms. Both of them may not perform very well in very good amount of lighting, but obviously Epson is better in terms of producing better colors and brightness as well. You don't get any Android or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or any such feature with Epson, but with this you get pre-built Android 11, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So overall, features wise, this projector will win, but in terms of brightness and color accuracy, I would say Epson did a better job, but this is not bad. And as you have seen, the quality that it can produce, both of them obviously provide you with 1080p displays. Quality that this one can provide you is also very, very good, but not better than Epson. So which one should you buy? Totally depends on you. This one comes with 6 months of warranty, and obviously you can rotate it according to your needs. It's rotatable, super lightweight as well. No questions money back guarantee. So this option is available for the Simplified Tech Cineax, and you also get free worldwide shipping. So if you don't like it, you can return it at no risk whatsoever, this very projector. And yeah, I hope you found this video to be fair and of value. And obviously we have got limited units of this one. If you would like to buy, then go to simplifytech.shop and order yours from there. It's a very good gift and a very good projector for your ceiling, bedroom, or if you have a room on rent, then obviously you can carry it anywhere with you. You don't need a TV anymore. This will get the job done for you. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one.